Welcome to this tutorial on how to import and validate e-invoices such as Peppol into your Infor ERP with DocBits. With DocBits, you can effortlessly integrate e-invoices like Peppol into your Infor ERP system. The process begins with uploading the Peppol. Once the file is uploaded, the invoice is automatically validated and converted into a PDF to facilitate review and order matching. In case of discrepancies, the document can also be approved. Subsequently, both the PDF and the XML are stored in Infor IDM. Finally, the data is transferred to the Infor ERP system for posting. When you are logged into your DocBits account, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you can upload your Peppol easily via drag and drop. DocBits automatically extracts and validates the invoice details and converts the Peppol into a PDF format to facilitate review and order matching. The order matching process is fully automated, and you only need to intervene in case of discrepancies. Thanks for your attention. For questions or further assistance, please contact our support team.